Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this fund report for United States Oil Fund LP. The report was first published on our website Friday, June 3, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell United States Oil Fund LP? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the United States Oil Fund LP fund with a 6.406 score, and our system has ranked United States Oil Fund LP by candidates since May 11, 2022. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 14.44% since we first told you to buy United States Oil Fund LP 17 days ago. This is an average return of 0.85% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for United States Oil Fund LP, our last headline reads, United States Oil Fund LP fund price ended on $89.47 on Friday after gaining 2.54%. The United States Oil Fund LP fund price gained 2.54% on the last trading day, Friday, June 3, 2022, rising from $87.25 to $89.47, and has now gained 11 days in a row. It is not often that funds manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the fund fluctuated 2.99% from a day low at $86.96 to a day high of $89.56. The price has risen in 10 of the last 10 days and is up by 11.03% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 125,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 3 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $309.86 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the fund was $89.56, and the lowest price was $43.42. Right now the price is 0.1%, or $0.0900, below 52-week high and 31.13%, or $40.45, below all-time high October 3, 2018 where the price hit $129.92. The fund has broken the wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $88.58, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $101.59 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 10.41% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -5.62% and 10.43%. The 12-month trend indicates a 66.44% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 24.02% and 77.04%. This equals a price between $110.96 and $158.40 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, United States Oil Fund LP fund received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a neutral and price to book a neutral rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the United States Oil Fund LP fund and buy rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for United States Oil Fund LP. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the fund. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The United States Oil Fund LP fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $85.75 and $80.25. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, May 10, 2022, and so far it has risen 20.05%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 18 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 114 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 110 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for United States Oil Fund LP. United States Oil Fund LP finds support from accumulated volume at $85.43, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This fund has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the fund moved $2.60 between high and low, or 2.99%. For the last week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 2.71%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for United States Oil Fund LP. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. United States Oil Fund LP currently has a price-earning ratio of 27.07. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, United States Oil Fund LP finds first level of support at $85.43, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for United States Oil Fund LP is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On April 25, 2006, SAC Capital Associates LLC made an inside sell of 50,000 of units. On April 25, 2006, SAC Capital Advisors LLC made an inside sell of 50,000 of units. Based on the two latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of 0.000. In total, the insiders bought 0 and sold 100,000 shares in the last two trades. Our recommended stop loss is $85.64, minus 4.28%. This fund has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 76 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 17 days ago. Is United States Oil Fund LP fund a buy? United States Oil Fund LP holds several positive signals and has broken the strong rising trend up. As the fund is also in great technical shape, we, therefore, consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 6th, we expect United States Oil Fund LP to open down negative 81 cents and start trading at $88.66. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.